How's it going out there today in YouTube land? You are here with Flippin' Mike, and I have my sidekick with me today. This is Chevy. Chevy's gonna be coming with me to... Where are we going, Chevy?
The junkyard.
Going to the snowmobile junkyard. I had a little accident on the Miskadoo project, and
This is broken.
I'm very, very sad to say I did not get it on video. I was not being very smart. Next time, wear the helmet with the camera on it. Get it on video at least, because now the damages at least would have had some good footage. But what happened to over here, Chevy?
This broke. The
Yep.
front bumper.
The front bumper broke off.
The screen broke.
And the windshield is kind of crappy, huh? Look at that. All shattered up and broken. And I really do like this windshield on this model. This is an EX windshield on an MXZ hood, which isn't that hard to set up. I'll be showing you guys that here very soon. Tools, and we're heading out back in the yard. Let's go, Chevy. Windshield on a 99 MXZ. So how I put an EX windshield on here is I cut these little pieces off the original mounting of the windshield. And then I glued them straight to the mounting of the outside for it to make up. You see how streamlined that looks? Oh, that's gonna look really nice. So, I'm gonna cut these little edges out for you have your back holds. But you will have those on the back of your windshield as well. And those windshield tabs right there line right in. And if you guys are worried about wiring, well, wiring's all the same. It's all the exact same. But you do have to do a tag through the center over here. See, for the lights, because there's only one light, so you just have to split them right off over there. I know there's not very good lighting. I will show you guys. Alright, you guys are here with Flippin' Mike. We just got done replacing the windshield. As I said in the last segment, we had a little crash. So you guys are come along with me on this test ride and see how this works out. fun ride for me. See you later.
Perfect.